Hi student, this is Naveen. I am welcoming you all to my Sadhana's Naveen Science Academy. Today we will discuss about a new lesson of chemistry, that is acid, base and salts. Acid, base and salt. First, you are familiar with lemon. Almost all you are tasted lemon. What is the taste of the lemon? Sour, right? What is the taste of the lemon? Sour. What is the taste of the orange? It is also somewhat sour. Tamarind, sour. Which are sour in taste. Which are sour in taste are called acid. Acids, the chemical substances which are sour in the taste. The chemical substances which are sour in taste are called acid. First question understood. What is acid? Acid are the chemical substance which has more H plus ions concentration. What they should have? More H plus ions. The chemical substance which have more H plus ions and sour in taste are called acid. Is it clear? Acids are of two types: organic acid and mineral acid. How many types of acids we have? Two types: organic acids, mineral acid. Organic acid, you know that citric acid, which is present in the lemon, which is present in the orange, which is present in the chakota. Next, tartaric acid. Tartaric acid, which is present in the tamarind. Oxalic acid, which is present in the tomato. Acetic acid, which is present in the vinegar. These are all organic acid. They are not dangerous. It is we are using as a food. Mineral acid, HCl. You heard that HCl. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Nitric acid, etc. are the mineral acid. Did you understood types of acids? Acids converts. How to test the acid? Acid can be tested by a litmus paper. In the lab, we have a litmus paper. Litmus paper is used to test the acid. You think it is acid in the container. Take a blue litmus. Which litmus? Blue litmus. Take a blue litmus paper and dip in the acid. Take a blue litmus paper, dip in the acid. If the litmus paper color changes to red, if the blue litmus changes to red, then the given solution is acid. So you come to know that acid converts blue litmus into red litmus. If the given liquid converts blue litmus into red, then the given liquid is acid. In this way, we will test the acid. Any doubt about acid? Acids are sour in taste. Acids have more H plus ion concentration. Acid converts blue litmus into red litmus. Acids are of two types: organic acids and mineral acids. Organic acids are the citric acid, acetic acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid. Mineral acids are the hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. Any doubt about acid? Next is about bases. Bases are bitter in taste. What is the taste of the bases? Bitter. Bases are bitter in taste. It converts red litmus into blue. Bases converts red litmus into blue litmus. Bases has more OH minus ions concentration. Bases has more OH minus ion concentration. Again in the bases we have again two types, strong base and weak bases. In the later on in the higher classes you will come to know this. So here the question is, what are the differences between acid and bases? You can write acids are sour in taste, number 1. Acids converts blue litmus into red, number 3. Number 2, acids have more H plus ion, number 3. That is the difference. Here in the bases, first difference is bases are bitter in taste. Second point, bases converts red litmus into blue litmus. Bases has more OH ion concentration. Any doubt? Did you understood? Again, one more question they can ask you, that how we come to know the given solution or a given substance is acid or base. That is by using a litmus paper. Which paper we use? Litmus paper. It is a natural indicator. Any doubt? Next, how to find the given solution, given substance, acid or base, using a substance called indicators. Indicators are the substances we use to check whether the given solution is acid or base. Indicators are the substances we use to check the given substances whether it is acid or base. Acidity and basicity can be found by using indicators. Litmus is a natural indicator. Litmus is a natural indicator. It is an extraction of lichen. It is an extraction of lichen. You know, lichen is a one type of a plant. From the lichen we extract the juice. That juice from that juice we make it litmus. Again, litmus are of two types, red and blue litmus. Red litmus converts, red changes to blue with the bases. Which are the bases? NaOH, NH4OH, CaOH, MgOH. These are all bases. It converts red litmus into blue litmus. Whereas blue litmus, if the blue turns into red, then it is acid. If the blue converts to red, then it is acid. Example of the acid: HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. It is given in your activity. What happens when we treat with red litmus with the NaOH? Red litmus changes to blue litmus. What happens when we treat blue litmus with HCl? It changes to red. Any doubt? Indicators of the substances which are used to find the given solution acid or base. Indicators, natural indicators are the litmus. Litmus is an extraction of lichen. Litmus is of two types, red litmus and blue litmus. Any doubt? Next, indicators are of two types again. Indicators are of two types. Natural indicator. Natural indicator. In that already I told you that litmus is a natural indicator. Turmeric is a natural indicator. Red cabbage is a natural indicator. Vanilla is a natural indicator. Garlic is a natural indicator. Any doubt? So, litmus paper I already told you that turmeric with acid, no changes. You know, color of the turmeric is yellow. If you pour a acid on the turmeric, no changes. If you pour a base, it changes to reddish brown. It changes to reddish brown. They can ask you a question. What happens when acid is poured on a turmeric? No changes. Yellow color. What happens if you pour a base on a turmeric? It converts to reddish brown. Next, red cabbage. No changes. It will be red. It is green. Greenish yellow. With the base, greenish yellow. Vanilla. No changes in the smell. No changes in the smell, but here smell changes. When you pour acid on a vanilla, no smell change. When you pour a base on a vanilla, smell changes. Same with the garlic, no changes. Here smell changes. Any doubt? These are all natural indicator. Perfect natural indicator is litmus. Next, artificial indicators. Artificial indicators. There are mainly we use two. One is phenolphthalein. One is phenolphthalein. Another one is methyl orange. One is phenolphthalein, another one is methyl orange. Mainly it is colorless. Phenolphthalein is a colorless. It is orange color. Phenolphthalein is a orange color liquid. Phenolphthalein is a colorless liquid, whereas methyl orange is a orange color liquid. With the acid, colorless. Phenolphthalein, when you pour an acid, it is colorless. With the base, it changes to pink. With the base, it changes to pink. Take a phenolphthalein, pour an acid, no color changes. If you pour a phenolphthalein on a base color changes to pink. Whereas methyl orange, it is orange color. With the acid, orange color. With the base, yellow color. For example, take a methyl orange, pour on a acid. Color changes to orange, then it is a orange. Then it is a acid. If methyl orange changes the color to the yellow, then it is a base. Or a phenolphthalein on a given liquid. If color changes to pink, then it is a base. If color less, then it is a acid. One small correction, the color of the methyl orange is red with the acid. Red with the acid. It is also given in the activity. So go through the activity, you will get all the details. So indicators are the substances we use to find the given solution acid or base. There are two types of indicators, natural indicators and artificial indicators. Artificial indicators, mainly in the lab we use phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein are colorless basically. When you pour on an acid, it will be remains as a colorless. When you pour on a base, it changes to pink. Methyl orange, basically orange in color. When you pour on an acid, it turns to red. When you pour on a base, it turns to yellow. Onion, garlic, vanilla, no changes with the smell. No changes in the smell with the acid. With the base, smell changes. Turmeric, basically yellow in color. When you pour acid to the turmeric or turmeric to the acid, remains yellow. When you pour a base on a turmeric, it changes to reddish brown. Red cabbage, basically red in purple in color. Basically purple in color. When you pour on acid, it becomes red. When you pour on a base, it becomes green yellow. Any doubt which is the natural indicator? Litmus. Litmus is extraction of lichen. One more type of indicator, that is olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators. I already taught you that vanilla, onion, garlic, they changes their smell, changes their odor when treated with acid and bases. There are some substances which changes their odor, which changes their smell when treated with acid, like vanilla, onion, garlic, etc. are the natural olfactory indicators. What are olfactory indicators? Which changes the smell when treated with acid and bases are called olfactory indicators. In the today's class, we discuss about what are the differences between acid and base, mention the types of acids, then what are indicators, types of indicators, and color changes in the lab with the acids and bases, litmus, natural indicators, and then olfactory indicators. If you like this class, please share and subscribe. Thank you.